Racing just is started. We have decent proposal. Break weekly restart. Bella, my Bella. Marcus Empire. Down on the inside is Golden Rhythm. Then next online is Perp and Pretty alongside Marigold. Down on the inside is Stream Time. Princess Adarna. Aim to please while Santito is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Golden Rhythm now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Bella, my Bella in second. Marcus Empire is racing in third. Stream Time then followed by Furf and Freddy. Down on the inside is Princess Adarna. Marigold comes next, then followed by Santito. Then next on line is Aim to Please, while entry number 9 Decent Proposal now racing in less inside the 3 octavo. We have Golden Rhythm this time by about 4 lengths. Perf and Pretty in second. Princess Adarna in third. Then next on now is Bella, my Bella. Stream Time, Marcus Empire. Then next on is Santito. Aim to Please, Marigold. While Decent Proposal is still racing in less, and Diana entering the home stretch. Golden Rhythm by about 2 lengths. And on the outside is Perp and Pretty. Princess Adarna is down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Golden Rhythm by about 3 lengths, followed by Perp and Pretty. Aim to Please, and finally it's Golden Rhythm. Close. Aim to Please, Perp and Pretty. Princess Adarna, Marigold, Bella, my Bella.
286.